It's a sound that never grows old. It's magical yet mysterious, and signals the beginning of the elk rut in the wilds of north central Pennsylvania. Throughout the year, I'm blessed to spend many days with these beautiful animals. During the rut, I am with them almost every day. In this video, I will share a view of the rut through my camera's lens and also include a variety of trail camera footage. While I will add commentary, for the most part, the elk will do the talking, and there's a lot of bugling ahead. I hope you enjoy Bulls and Bugles, Pennsylvania's 2024 Elk Rut. Fog is common in elk country, and while it does get old, it can create a beautiful backdrop. Their bark can be alerting for danger or simply showing they are irritated. It's most likely a little of both in this case. The bulls may get our attention, but the cows are their focus. Sometimes the bugling is interrupted for a snack, but rest assured, it's not for long. Here's a bull that came into my call. He's focused and locked on to the source of the sound, but disappointed not to see a cow. His stare is intense, but he moves on. Days start early in elk country, with most beginning well before daylight and many ending after sunset. This warrior is very aggressive, and he has the battle scars to prove it. It's time for the peak rut to wind down. The bulls are tired and hungry, and so am I. I hope you enjoyed a look back at the 2024 Pennsylvania Elk Rut. Enjoy your time outdoors, stay safe, and may God bless you.